Hello, Sanbonani. Today I'm going to do a brioche bread with a food processor. As we know, it's done in a stand mixer. Let's begin. Place softened butter and sugar in a food processor and blend until they are fluffy. Stop in between and collect from the sides and blend until all is incorporated. Gradually add room temperature eggs, blending in between until they are all finished. I will leave a list of ingredients and more information in the description box. Add salt, blend, collect from the sides and blend. Thank you for choosing to watch my video. Your support is much appreciated. Now gradually add warm milk, lukewarm, sift flour, add yeast and blend. A warm welcome to those new to this channel. I hope you feel at home. Collect from the sides and continue blending. We will repeat doing this until all ingredients are finished. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be part of the family. Here I had to add one more egg as the dough needed 5 eggs. Scrape from the sides and blend. Further with a wooden spoon. My food processor started smoking. Oh, it was tiring to mix with a spoon. This is a sticky, stretchy dough. We mix until it does not break when stretched, or it's not grainy when you look at it. Now grease the bowl with oil. Place the dough in the bowl and close with a cling film. Place the dough in the fridge overnight or proof for at least 2 hours in a warm place. Place the dough on a clean flat surface and mold a ball. Grease the baking pan or pans, depending how many breads you want, loaf of bread, and set aside the baking pans. Cut the dough into 16 pieces, roll them into small balls or braid the dough. I added a little bit of flour in order to be able to roll the dough. Place the dough balls into a baking pan and proof for 2 hours in a warm place this time. You can bake 2 loaves out of this dough. I chose 1 big loaf pan. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. That is a standard oven for at least 15 minutes before baking. Egg wash the dough. Bake for 45 minutes or until golden brown. Bread for 5 to 10 minutes in the pan, then take it out to avoid moisture. Please do me a favor, press the like button and leave a comment below regarding this recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye-bye.